wake up. Tell him.
Tell him. My movie.
Wake him up. Wake him up.
Samir, let's go to the movies.
He's got chocolate on his. Who's here? Who's here, Tread?
Who's here?
Who came to say hi to you?
You fart?
No, he's stretching. What do you say? Say hi, Sophie.
Hi. Hi.
You want to go to the movies together?
Yes. Yes, we're going to watch the square one.
The squeal.
You're all sweaty, honey. You want to come down? I know we woke you up.
Say hi,
Say hi to
Tread.
Tread.
I said I.
Ah, that's nice.
Cute.
Okay.